Wizard Navigator. Medin is introducing a new innovative system for the machine processing of root canals. The whole line of instruments is ingeniously set in a way so that the standardly curved root canal would be safely and carefully prepared in 4 steps and ready for filling. Wizard Navigator navigates you effortlessly the way you want alongside the whole working part of the root canal, thanks to its special point and cutting properties. The main starting set guides you in the processing of the root canal. The set contains instrument WXN for enlarging the entrance to the root canal, and then the instruments for the processing of the root canal, W1, W2, W3, W4 and W5. A complementary set goes with the main set. The complementary set is used for the processing of straight root canals to make them larger and more conical. It contains instruments W6, W7, W8 and W9. The whole system is complemented with instruments for root canal probing, specially developed for the Wizard Navigator system, and is called W-File in sizes 006, 008 and 010. For ideal service to our customers, a set of bestsellers is available. It contains the following instruments: W1, W2 and W3, 2 pieces of each. Probing and primal penetration into the root canal is performed with hand instruments of sizes from ISO 006 to 010, using the instrument W-File, according to the presumed size of the treated root canal. When the root canal is reached, we start with its enlarging. Prepare the root canal using the W1 instrument, indicated with a purple stripe, and vertical filing movements, applying a slight apical pressure up to 1/2 or 3/4 of the length, depending on the root canal's configuration. The entire preparation is carried out using a lubricant and should not last longer than 10 seconds. The W1 instrument is placed in the cleaning box and the root canal rinsed thoroughly with the solution. As with the W1 instrument, use the W2 instrument, indicated by a white stripe, to prepare the same length with the slight pressure. Place the W2 instrument into the cleaning box and rinse thoroughly. Penetrate a safe length into the root canal using the W1 instrument, further to the apex about 1 or 2 millimeters. Rinse and penetrate the same length with the W2 instrument. Repeat the above procedure until a safe length of the root canal is attained. The preparation is completed using the W2 instrument. If necessary, the entrance to the root canal can be widened or moved using the WXN instrument. Measure the working length of the root canal, X-ray or apex locator. Rinse thoroughly and using a lubricant and the W2 instrument, prepare the set working length. Place the W3 instrument, indicated by a yellow stripe, in the end and using a lubricant, prepare the entire length of the root canal. Place the instrument in the cleaning box and rinse thoroughly. If the root canal's configuration so requires, it can be filled using your preferred method. For the majority of root canals, the W4 instrument, indicated by a red stripe, is used to further expand the apical width to 0.25, or the W5, indicated by a blue strip, is used to expand it to a width of 0.30. The canal prepared in this manner is now filled by the method you want. If more massive working is required, the W5 instrument can be used to continue to an apical width of 0.30, a 6% taper. Then the W6 instrument, indicated by a green stripe, can be used to a width of 0.35 with a 6% taper, or W7, indicated by a black stripe, to a width of 0.40 with a 6% taper. For less weakening of the root canal walls, it is also possible to use the W8 instrument, indicated by a green stripe, to a width of 0.35, and the W9, indicated by a black stripe, to a width of 0.40 with a 4% taper. These instruments are sufficient for processing of almost all root canals. It is recommended to use mainly complementary materials made in with the Endo System Wizard Navigator.